I'm doing this video again because I did enough miles for the warning light to come back around. Maintenance required, which is to change the oil. So to reset that, turn your key to the on position. Make sure you're on trip A, then turn your key to the off position. Hold in the button. Turn your key to the on position. Keep holding till the blinking lights go down. Resetting maintenance data gives you that, and there you go. One other thing I wanted to mention was that check charging system message. I did some reading online and I'm not 100% sure, but I think it's the same thing as on other cars where it's just a system check. When you turn your car on, it checks the battery. Then as you start driving, that message should go away.